This was my ex-colleague, Dorcas, trying so hard to copy text from a website. The problem is that some website owners block the copy option to prevent people from stealing their content. The most common solution I see online involves playing with some kind of website code, but there are much simpler ways of executing the same task. To make this video easy for you to follow along, I have included this website's address in the description below. To begin, locate and click on the padlock icon to the left side of the search bar. Choose Site Settings if you're on Chrome. Under the permissions list, look for JavaScript and change this permission to block. Go back to the website you want to copy and refresh the browser by simply hitting Ctrl R on the keyboard. Now you should be able to copy the text. Hello friends, my name is Isaac and welcome back to my channel where I share with you useful tips to help you increase your productivity at work. And if you like the first tip, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing. Let's keep going. Even though the first method works great, not every website uses JavaScript to protect their content. If you have a website that uses CSS, this method may not work. To demonstrate this for you, I have blocked the content of my personal website, that is isaacjani.com. Now, as you can see, JavaScript is blocked, but I still cannot copy the contents. While you are on the page in your browser, hit Ctrl P on your keyboard for Windows. This brings you to the print preview screen, and now I'm able to copy the content of the website. Let's go on to tip number 3. This tip uses a website feature called Reader Mode, and what this feature does is it converts websites into more reader-friendly modes. With this feature, I'm able to go from this to that, and that enables the copy feature. Whilst you are on the website, hit F9 on your keyboard to enable Reader Mode. You can also click on this little book icon on the right side of the address bar. Now, the protected text should not have protection, like some form of prison break. For Chrome users, this feature is disabled by default, but we can easily turn that on. To do that, type chrome://flags into the address bar, and this opens what we call the experimental features. Search for Reader Mode and change this from default to enabled. You will see this notification asking you to relaunch. Click on that and give it a second to reload the browser. Head back to the website or article and you will notice that there's this little book icon. Let's click on that to enable the Reader Mode. And now the text is copyable. Sometimes you find out that the 3 methods I've discussed don't work. Fortunately, there are several ways to kill a cat. But if you kill a cat, we lose the copycat to keep copying. That was just bad. The situation leads me to tip number 4, which is my personal favorite. For tip number 4, you need Microsoft Edge. And it's because Microsoft Edge comes with a smart copy feature called Web Select. And we can use this feature to our advantage. To use the feature, press and hold Ctrl+Shift+X on your keyboard. And if you're not a fan of shortcuts, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the browser and choose Web Select. You get this plus sign. Simply drag over the text you want to copy and click Copy. Now head over to where you want to paste this text. Instead of using the regular Ctrl+V, we are going to use Ctrl+Shift+V, and this allows to paste without adding any extra styles.